So this is the department list module, and it's located at /district/departments. So currently there are none here. And on the home page, let me go ahead and refresh this. I have this departments widget, which is the department list widget. And these are actually pulling from the department manager. So first we need to create a new category called training category. And let's create a department for that. So you can do this through the department manager, or you can do it through the department wizard. And I encourage you to watch the department wizard video if you want to learn how. So I'll just give this a title of training department. And that's all we really need there. We don't need to worry about this miscellaneous or periods or any of this content here. We're just going to publish now and save. So now let's refresh the department list module. There's the category name and the actual department. And let's refresh this home page here. There's the category name and then department there. And that's how the department list is actually used and populated.